Hello everyone from Elif's Kitchen. In this recipe, I want to share with you a different flavor from Greek cuisine. The recipe for syrupy walnut Greek cake. To be informed about my new recipes, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and turn on notifications by pressing the bell icon. First, let's prepare our syrup. Pour 2.5 cups of sugar into a pot. Add 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder over it and mix. Then, add 3 cups of water. And squeeze the juice of a quarter lemon into it. After mixing thoroughly, place it on the stove. Stir until it reaches boiling point. Once it starts boiling, reduce to medium heat. And boil for about 8 minutes, then remove from the stove. Add 1 packet of vanilla and mix well. Let our syrup cool down. For the cake part of our dessert, put 5 eggs into a mixing bowl. Add 1.5 cups of sugar and 1 packet of vanilla, then whisk until foamy. Add 1 cup of milk and 1 cup of vegetable oil. Mix for 1 to 2 more turns with the mixer. Add 1.5 cups of flour, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 1 packet of baking powder, 1 full teaspoon of cinnamon, and about 1 tablespoon of cocoa powder. Whisk just until the ingredients are combined. Then, add 1 finger less than a cup of breadcrumbs and 1 cup of coarsely chopped walnuts. Whisk again just until the ingredients are combined. Do not overmix at this stage. Pour our cake batter into a large rectangular glass baking dish, which we lightly greased with a little oil. Spread evenly. Bake in a preheated oven at 175 degrees Celsius, top and bottom heat setting, for approximately 35 to 40 minutes. Remove from the oven after performing a toothpick test. It baked in 40 minutes in my oven. Let our cake rest for about 15 minutes and cool down. Cut our cooled cake into slices of any desired size. Pour the cold syrup over the lukewarm cake. Let it sit for 1 to 2 hours until it has completely absorbed the syrup. Decorate the top as desired. I decorated it with shredded coconut. Our syrupy walnut cake, with its unique and wonderful flavor, is ready to serve. I hope you try it and like it too. Bon appétit to those who will try it in advance. If you have watched my video this far, you can support me with your likes, comments, and shares. Thank you for watching and for your interest.